Welcome back to Wild with B and G. The days are getting colder and we're already missing that warm sunshine and time spent on the water. So we're taking you back to Big Sugar Creek. A peaceful float, a few fish caught, and a reminder of how good it feels to be out in the wild.
Well guys, there's a beautiful day out. It's time to hit the water. Let's go to our home away from home. There you go.
Oh, catch and release. Oh, it was a bass and he got off. He was about to jump out of the water and he let go. Wonder if you can see it in the video, or do you guys think I'm lying?
It's such a good day. Oh my goodness. Here's the bad one. Bong, 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 bong.
It's a decent sized garlic. Heck yeah.
Remember folks, always watch ahead. Sometimes trees like to cover the river. So just get off, take a little walk.
Turn around, don't drown.
Turn around, don't drown.
Ain't no fish in this river.
No fish in this river. Ain't no fish never.
Oh, that was a big fish.
It broke your line.
It was huge. It was a giant bass. Broke it. Super sad y'all didn't get to see that. That's a pretty big bass. Oh! He took himself off the hook.
Guys, stop going in the water. This is ridiculous.
Honey, we made it. Made it to camp.
Oh my goodness. Hey! Someone's thing. Found a multi-tool.
Oh.
See how crunchy it is. Berkeley fishing pliers.
What?
Probably the camo lanyard made it too hard to find. It's gonna be great to speed it up and watch us just do little circles for 5 minutes and then have this.
Good morning. Last night, I woke up at one point and I looked over, and above Garrett's head, on the outside of the tent, was a massive spider. Just sitting there. It looked like it wanted to eat his face. So I flicked it, and it ran away. And I told him this morning that there was a creature that he wasn't going to be very happy when he found in the tent when we were packing it away, and guess what we found? He's just like almost hand size. Other than that, it's a gorgeous day here on Big Sugar Creek. What's the matter? Are you frozen in fear?
No, I don't like him.
Well, I don't know how to get him to go away.
I'll leave him on it for now. I don't want him getting in the other stuff. We'll pack everything else and then we'll leave the chair, I guess.
It stays here.
It's his chair now.
We leave it here. It's always sad to pack up and leave.
But it's time to go home and start packing for the next trip.
Also, we want to go home and play Fortnite. Sue us.
Yeah.
Honey, I think your spider friend's over there if you want to go get him
Throw up if we keep talking about
before we leave. Hey, chill out, little goggle eye. Oh, he released himself. It's a pretty big perch. That's a decent sized perch right there.
That's dinner perch.
Yes, look how big this perch is. Holy cow. Oh, quit. Tearing my thumb up. I'm gonna have fish thumb. Nice! He did it, he did it, he did it, hooray.
Thanks, love.
You're welcome.
You're the best.
I got another one. He's swimming in circles. There's a flat-shelled turtle over there. Pretty goggle eye. Ooh, this perch is so pretty. Very dark and vibrant. The eddies are so cool. In a dangerous kind of way. It's such a weird push.
We do.
Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my god!
That good, huh? Oh no, it's
I helped introduce you to it.
Oh no. Ah, this is worse.
It's so nice. And to think, this is where I wrecked and lost all of my dignity.
I remember this having more shade on it. One shade.
Because it's in the evenings. At like 2:30 when it's shaded.
Oh.
Bonk.